TouchWo 21.5-inch touchscreen industrial PC, full high-definition smartboard with plug-and-play. Are you still wasting precious minutes wrestling with projectors that flicker, cables that tangle, and whiteboards that erase your best ideas? What if every lesson, meeting, or customer interaction could feel effortless, like using your own smartphone, only on a massive 21.5-inch screen? You're about to discover the TouchWo 21.5-inch touchscreen industrial PC that's quietly replacing outdated setups in classrooms, boardrooms, and businesses worldwide, delivering instant responsiveness, zero lag, and pure interactive power the moment you switch it on. You know the frustration all too well. Your current display lags when multiple students zoom in on a diagram. Your meeting screen freezes during a critical presentation. Your point-of-sale system feels clunky when customers are waiting. You've tried tablets that are too small, monitors that aren't touch, and expensive interactive flat panels that still need a separate PC bolted underneath. Every workaround steals your time, kills engagement, and leaves everyone quietly annoyed. Now imagine walking up to a screen that responds perfectly to 10 fingers at once, even with gloves on, running full Windows 11 Pro with Intel Core i7 horsepower and a blazing fast 512GB solid-state drive. No drivers, no delays, just pure, fluid interaction that makes every user feel like a tech genius from the very first touch. That's the shift thousands of teachers, managers, and business owners are experiencing right now with TouchWo. With the TouchWo 21.5-inch touchscreen industrial PC, you command a true all-in-one beast. Intel Core i7, 8GB random access memory, 512GB solid-state drive, and genuine Windows 11 Pro ready to crush any task. Pinch to zoom maps with 10 fingers simultaneously, annotate 4K presentations in real time, run demanding point-of-sale software without stuttering, or turn it into a closed-circuit television monitoring station. Everything happens instantly. Unlike fragile consumer all-in-ones that crack under daily use, TouchWo is built with IP65 front protection, seamless true flat design, and lightweight aluminum alloy frame that laughs at high-traffic environments. Need to connect legacy equipment? You get video graphics array, high-definition multimedia interface in and out, 4 universal serial bus ports, wireless internet, local area network, built-in speakers, and even 3.5mm audio jacks. Total plug-and-play freedom. Mounted on the wall with 100x100 VESA, tilted on the desktop stand, or integrated into kiosks. While others force you to buy separate computers, dongles, and extended warranties, you get a complete, ready-to-dominate system that outperforms units costing twice as much and keeps performing years longer. Teachers are raving. This replaced my dying projector setup and transformed my classroom. Students fight to come up and interact. 6 months in, it still runs perfectly. Small business owners say, our point-of-sale terminal handles rush hours without breaking a sweat. Customers comment on how fast and modern it feels. Corporate training managers report, we deployed 3 units and onboarding productivity jumped 40%. The touch accuracy during annotations is flawless. Even educational technology consultants call it the best value smartboard on the market today. Clean Windows 11 Pro install, zero latency, and build quality that exceeds units double the price. Federal Communications Commission, Conformity European, and Restriction of Hazardous Substances certified, backed by real 24/7 support that actually answers. Over 1,000 5-star experiences confirmed. TouchWo doesn't just work, it dominates where others fail. You've seen the proof. You know the difference it makes when technology simply works. Every tap, every zoom, every presentation. Don't let another day pass with sluggish screens holding you back. Click the link below right now and claim your TouchWo 21.5-inch touchscreen industrial PC today. Stock is moving fast because schools, businesses, and smart buyers are upgrading in droves. Secure yours at this price while it lasts, and in just days, you'll be experiencing the smoothest, most powerful interactive display you've ever touched. Click now. Your future self and everyone who uses it will thank you.